In this episode, we're going to have a look at a Python script which is running a web application, and we can make a post to it and get some kind of response. But to deploy that application, we are going to be using Kamal. So in this episode, we're going to be using Kamal to deploy a non-Ruby on Rails application, which I think can be very powerful because as a Ruby on Rails developer, sometimes the requirements need me to work outside of a Rails application, and sometimes I might be working on a Python app, or it could be really anything else. But in this episode, we're going to be looking at deploying a non-Rails application, so in this case a Python app, to a server using Kamal. And this isn't limited to just a Python application. You can use this for a Sinatra app, a PHP application, or really anything else. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.